In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your merchant ID in PayPal. This is a very quick process, and you can do it directly from your PayPal account settings in just a few moments. Your merchant ID is often used when connecting PayPal to other platforms, setting up integrations, or verifying account details, so it's useful to know exactly where to find it. To begin, log into your PayPal account as you normally would. Once you're on the main account screen, look toward the top right corner of the page. You'll see a gear icon there, which is the shortcut to your account settings. Go ahead and click that gear icon to open the settings area. After the settings page loads, look for the Account tab. This section contains the main details related to your PayPal account, including business-related information if you're using a business account. Click on the Account tab to continue. Once you're in the Account section, you should be able to see your merchant ID listed there. It will usually appear as part of your account information, and it may be labeled clearly as Merchant ID, so it should be easy to spot. When you find it, you can copy it if needed and use it wherever a service or platform asks for your PayPal merchant ID. One helpful tip here is to make sure you're looking in the correct PayPal account, especially if you manage more than one. If you're using the wrong account, the merchant ID you see may not match the one you actually need. It's also a good idea to avoid confusing your merchant ID with your email address, since some services specifically ask for the merchant ID and not the login email tied to the account. If you don't immediately see the information, just double-check that you're inside the account settings area and that your page has fully loaded. In most cases, the merchant ID is available right there without needing to go through any extra menus, and that's all there is to it. Once you know where the gear icon is and how to get to the Account tab, finding your merchant ID in PayPal is simple and only takes a few seconds. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.